Hey everyone! Tired of switching between different testers just to finish one small electronics job? In today's video, I'll show you smart all-in-one testing tools that combine multiple functions into one device, making your work faster and easier. Watch till the end to find the best option for your needs. Product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Product number 1. FNIRSI DST210. Starting with a compact all-in-one tool that's perfect for daily electronics work. The FNIRSI DST210 is a smart 3-in-1 testing device designed for everyday use. It combines a digital oscilloscope, a multimeter, and a signal generator in one handheld body. This model has a clear color screen that is easy to read from different angles. The buttons are simple and well placed, so learning it does not take much time. It runs on a built-in rechargeable battery, which makes it easy to carry anywhere. You can check voltage, current, resistance, and also view basic signal waves. The signal generator can create different wave types for testing small circuits. Its size makes it suitable for desk use or field work. The device feels solid in hand and does not feel cheap. Pros: very easy to use for beginners. All-in-one design saves money and space. Cons: not made for very advanced or high-frequency tasks. Who it's for: this is best for hobby users, students, repair shops, and home labs. Anyone who wants one simple tool for many small jobs will like this. Final verdict: FNIRSI DST210 is friendly and practical. It gives many useful features in a small body. A great choice for everyday electronics work. Product number 2. ZOYI ZT703S. The ZOYI ZT703S is a strong handheld testing tool made for tougher environments. It combines oscilloscope features with a digital multimeter in one solid unit. The body is designed to handle regular use in workshops and automotive settings. The screen is large and bright, making it easy to read values clearly. Button controls are simple and respond quickly during use. This model focuses on stable and reliable performance instead of extra features. It supports common electrical measurements that are used in daily repair work. The shape fits well in the hand and feels balanced while holding. It is built more for durability than compact size. Pros: strong build quality for long-term use, clear and easy-to-read display. Cons: battery is not included. Who it's for: this tool is ideal for automotive technicians and field repair workers. It suits users who work outside or in busy workshops. Final verdict: ZOYI ZT703S is tough and dependable. It may look simple, but it performs well every day. Product number 3. TOOLTOP ET2010A. The TOOLTOP ET2010A is a 2-in-1 oscilloscope and digital multimeter. It is made for users who want basic testing without complexity. The display can switch between meter mode and signal view easily. The interface is clean and simple, so beginners can learn fast. This device focuses on core measurement functions used in daily repair work. It is lightweight and comfortable to hold for long periods. The buttons are clearly labeled and easy to press. It works well for checking voltage, resistance, and basic wave signals. The design avoids unnecessary features to keep operation simple. Pros: very easy for beginners to understand, lightweight and comfortable design. Cons: lower performance compared to advanced models. Who it's for: best for students, learners, and basic repair users. Good for home projects and simple electronics tasks. Final verdict: TOOLTOP ET2010A keeps things simple and clear. It is a good starting tool for learning electronics. Product number 4. Owon CMS101. The Owon CMS101 is a powerful clamp meter with oscilloscope capability. It allows current measurement without direct wire contact. This makes it safer for high-power electrical work. The device supports Bluetooth, which helps record and share data. It uses a replaceable lithium battery for long working time. The clamp design is strong and opens smoothly during use. The screen shows clear readings and signal views. This tool is designed for heavy-duty electrical tasks. It is larger than handheld testers, but offers more power. Pros: safe and easy high-current measurement. Bluetooth recording is very useful. Cons: bigger and heavier than compact tools. Who it's for: perfect for electricians and industrial users. Ideal for working with high-current systems. Final verdict: Owon CMS101 is strong and reliable. It is made for serious electrical work. Product number 5. UNI-T UT217. Finally, for professionals who demand accuracy and long-term reliability, The UNI-T UT217 delivers a premium clamp meter experience. It is a professional-grade clamp meter with oscilloscope mode. The clamp design allows safe measurement of high current levels. True RMS support ensures stable and accurate readings in real conditions. The NCV feature helps quickly detect live wires. The screen switches smoothly between meter and signal view. The body feels solid and durable in hand. Controls are responsive and easy to understand. This tool is made for demanding daily use. Pros: very accurate and stable readings. Strong and trusted build quality. Cons: costs more than entry-level tools. Who it's for: best for professional electricians and technicians. Ideal for users who need dependable results every day. Final verdict: the UNI-T UT217 is built for professionals. It offers accuracy, safety, and long-term trust. That's it for today. If this video helped, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more smart buying guides. Check the description below for product links and latest prices. Our top 5 picks are carefully chosen based on reviews, ratings, quality, and durability, so you can buy with confidence. Thanks for watching.